Good morning students, this is class 9th subject science chapter 8 motion. This is homework solution of lecture number 1. In lecture number 1 there was a question. A farmer moves along the boundary of a square field of side 10 meter in 40 seconds. What will be the magnitude of displacement of the farmer at the end of 2 minutes 20 seconds from his initial position? There is a farmer, he is moving along the boundary of a square field. So I have drawn a square PQRS. This is a square PQRS. Now the side of the square, it is given in the question 10 meter. The side of the square field is given 10 meter. So I have drawn this 10 meter. Now the question is saying that the time taken to travel the boundary of the square field is 40 seconds. Means to travel this complete boundary of the square field, he is taking how much time? He is taking 40 seconds. So these two things are given in the question. Now you need to calculate what will be the magnitude of displacement. You need to calculate displacement at the end of 2 minutes 20 seconds. So this 2 minutes and 20 seconds, this is how much? 60 second plus 60 second plus 20 second, that will be 140 second. So we need to calculate the displacement at the end of 140 seconds. Now you know the side of the square that is given in the question 10 meter. So what will be the total length of the square field? What will be the total length of the square field? It will be 4 times of 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. So it will be 40 meter, or you can apply the formula 4 into side. So 4 into 10 meter, that will be 40 meter. So the total length of the square field, that is 40 meter. Now the question has said that time taken to travel the boundary of the square field is 40 seconds. Means what is the total boundary, total length of the square field? That is 40 meter. For this 40 meter, he took 40 seconds to cover that boundary. 40 meter, it was covered in 40 seconds. So distance travelled in 40 seconds, it is 40 meter from this equation. Distance travelled in 40 seconds, that is 40 meter. So calculate for 1 second, it will be 40 divided by 40, that will be 1 meter. Now calculate for 140 seconds. 140 from where it come? 2 minutes 20 seconds, that is 140 seconds. So calculate for 140 seconds, that will be 1 into 140, that is 140 meter. It means the distance travelled at the end of 140 seconds, that is 140 meter. But we need to calculate not the distance, we need to calculate displacement. Now again look at the figure. Suppose the farmer is at S. Initially the farmer is at S. Now he is moving along the boundary of the square field. So first, second, third, fourth. So 4 sides he is covering, means 1 round. So it will be 40 meter. Again second round. So means initially the farmer's position was at S. Now you need to calculate the position of the farmer after 140 seconds. Means what is the position of the farmer at the end of 140 seconds. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, that will be 40 meter. That is 1 round. Again for 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, 40 plus 40, 80 meter, 2 round. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. Again 40. So 40 plus 40 plus 40. 120 meter in 3 rounds. And you need to calculate for 140 meter. 140 meter. Here was it was 140 meter. You need to calculate for 140 meter. So up to this again 3 rounds he completed. And it came up to 120 meter. So 120 meter plus 10, 130 plus 10, 140. Means after completing 3.5 rounds, after completing 3.5 rounds, he came at position Q. Initially it was at S. After completing 140 meter, what is the position of the farmer? It is at Q. Now you need to calculate the displacement. Displacement means distance between initial and final position. So what is the initial position? S, and what is final? Q. So join this. Now you need to calculate this SQ. Now this is a right angle triangle. This is a square field. Every angle is right angle. So you need to, in this triangle, in triangle QRS, you need to calculate SQ. So apply Pythagoras theorem. SQ square is equal to QR square plus SR square. So you need to calculate the value of SQ. So SQ square, it is equal to QR square plus SR square. So substitute the values. What is QR? That is the side of square, that is 10 meters. So 10 square plus, again what is SR? That is 10. 10 square, so 10 square plus 10 square, that is 100 plus 100. That will be 200. So SQ square is 200. So what is SQ? Under root of 200. Now you need to calculate for under root of 200. So you can apply this method. Divide and find the simplest forms. So it will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. So these two, one time common. Again 5, one time common. So take this outside 2, take 5 outside. So 2 into 5, 10. And what is remaining inside? That is 2. So 10 root 2. And what is the value of root 2? It is 1.414. Just substitute the value of root 2 in this equation. 10 into 1.414, that is 14.14 meter. That is the value of SQ. So you have got what is the displacement at the end of 140 seconds. This is the displacement. This is SQ. So this was the question. Okay. Thank you, students.